Good morning, welcome to Tuesday's maths meeting. Thank you for getting in touch, those of you that did about yesterday's, and for the feedback. I'm going to try and leave a little bit longer pause before I show you the answer for each one. But remember, if you do need more thinking time, just press pause on your device, work out the answer, and then press play to see how you've done. You need your whiteboard and pen like you had yesterday, or the back of a book. It doesn't matter as long as you're having a go. So let's have a go and have fun. We're going to start off with 40 times 90. So that's your known facts. 4 times 9 is 36. 40 times 9 would be 360. And 40 times 90 is 3,600. 0.7 times 8. And the answer there, 5.6. 7 eighths are 56, 10 times smaller, 5 times 6. 0.3 times 0.5. 1.5. 3 fives are 15. 0.3 times 5 would be, that's wrong, should be 0.15. Because 3 times 5 is 15, 10 times smaller would be 1.5, and 10 times smaller again is 0.15. And challenge for you, really think hard about this one, 60 times 0.6. And the answer there is 36. Well done if you got that one right. That one was very tricky. Moving on. We're going to do some conversion. Today we're looking at millilitres to litres. Exactly the same idea as grams to kilograms because there are 1,000 millilitres in a litre. So we're going to start with 4,000 millilitres, which gives us 4 litres, because you're dividing by 1,000. 8,300 millilitres, 8.3 litres. 7,960 millilitres, 7.96 litres. Think carefully about the last one. Okay. Don't forget that you still need to keep this 0. It doesn't disappear just because it's got that many times smaller that it's the other side of the decimal point. Still needs to be a placeholder between the 2 and the 8. Here you've got no hundreds, and here you've got no tenths. You still need the 0. Going the other way, we're going to go from litres to millilitres. So this time, think if we divided there, what you're going to do this time. And we're going to start with 6 litres. That becomes 6,000 millilitres because you're now multiplying. 4.1 litres, 4,100 millilitres. 2.56 litres, 2,560 millilitres, and the last one, 3.07 litres. Again, you need that placeholder. You've gone from having 0 tenths to 0 hundreds. That's why that 0 is still there, it can't disappear. Well done if you got that one. We're going to move on to some fractions. Starting with adding 4/6 plus 1/18. The answer is 13/18 because you need to make both these denominators the same to add them. 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. The next one we're going to do is 2 21s plus 3 sevenths. 11 21s. That's the answer. Can't simplify that one. I'm going to do a subtraction now. 19 30ths take away 2 6ths. So you're going to say to yourself there, well, I need to make the 6 into 30ths. How many times 6 is 30? 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. 19 take away 10 equals 9 30ths. Can you simplify that? If you did, well done. You can simplify that to 3 tenths. And the last question, we'll go back to adding, but we're going to do mixed numbers. 1 and 2/8 plus 1 and 12/16. The answer is 2 and 16/16, or 3. Finally, some time questions like yesterday. What is 15 minutes after midnight? And I'd like the answer in the 24-hour clock, please. 15 minutes after midnight. The answer the 24-hour clock. The next one, please show me half an hour before 2:15 p.m. Half an hour before 2:15 p.m. And the answer is 1:45 p.m. Next one, 90 minutes after 7:20 a.m. And the answer, 8:50 a.m. You say to yourself there, 90 minutes is an hour and a half. So 1 hour makes 8:20, and another 30 minutes is 8:50. And the last one, 3/4 of an hour before 9:05 a.m. And the answer is 8:20 a.m. I would say to myself, let's go back 5 minutes. That would take us to 9 o'clock, and then another 40 minutes, which takes us to 8:20. Well done. I hope you managed to stick through that one. Maybe you got slightly faster than yesterday. If you did, fantastic. There'll be another one tomorrow. Message me and let me know how you did. Bye.